Good morning. Now you're home, you survived your ACDF surgery, anterior cervical discectomy fusion, which happens right back here. I had the C6, C7 vertebrae kind of fused together and worked on. This one here is called an Aspen Vista neck brace. Right here, the instructions, we'll go through those real fast. I'll show you some little tidbits about this guy. And first of all, it helps keep your neck upright. All right, and it helps you from turning your head without turning your neck. So you always want to turn with your torso. No reaching, stretching, bending, all that stuff. Just make sure you keep your neck nice and straight. We'll take it off. I'll show you some of the guts of this thing. To take it off, you hold one of the straps. I'm looking in the mirror, so it's backwards. Pull it off. Pull it up halfway. And you slide it right off of your neck very carefully. And still be careful and pretend your neck brace is still on, so don't turn your neck, all right? We'll take a closer look at what this thing looks like. Here we have our neck brace, and there's 4 parts here. You have this part here, which goes under your chin. This section, that is under your collar. And here's the back portion here. You'll notice it has these soft felt pads here. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, and the white next to your skin, you peel it back, you'll notice there's a gray portion here connected with Velcro, and that attaches to the unit. They're removable and washable, so you can wash them in warm water and you air dry them. Don't put them in the washing machine, you'll ruin them. You notice here, along my chin, gets all kind of discolored because sometimes you drool. It comes down here. So you can replace these as well. It's not a problem. And you could also wash them. Now my chin, I'll show you my chin right up here. Oh, my chin area, you get a little rashed, all right? If you get rashed, there's a couple things you could do. Do not use lotion. Don't use lotion because you'll just get it on your unit and it'll get all gobbed up. You can use a little bit of baby powder, like this fellow here, and kind of shake it in there. Or you get a little rag or a towel. Better to use a little dish towel. You could strap it over when you put it back on your neck. I'll show you how that works as well. That's this unit. Here's the outside. There's a little adjustment mechanism here. You pull it out and you twist it to raise the chin bar or lower it, get a little tighter fit. And I'll show you how to put this little puppy right back on your head. Now let's put our unit back on, and only take this off when you shower. So my doctor says to leave it on for 2 weeks. He's going to take a look at my neck and see if he can take it off. Any longer you get fatigue or lethargy on your neck muscles. If you drive with it, well, I don't recommend driving because you're going to make a quick stop. You can't really turn your head. So to put it back on, what I do is I take this little dish towel here. I'm going to drape it right over the contact surfaces of my neck, just like that. Okay? Keep it from rashing. We're going to slide it right in there, just like that. Now I'll tuck this up so you can see better. Little dish rag there. Okay. We're going to take this unit here. Now only reach with your good arm. You're going to have a bad arm. My bad arm is the left one. Good arm's the right arm. You're going to pull it kind of snug, just like this. You're going to pull it down and attach it right on the Velcro, just like that. Keep this tucked up here for you. This is my invention, little dish towel. To tighten it, you're going to pull this out and twist this little knobber, and it tightens your neck up, just like that. You can hang this down, so when you eat, it doesn't dribble down, okay? And get your neck brace all junked up. And there you go, just like this. And attach it. You do have to sleep with this. and eat with this and do everything else with this, except when you shower, just like that. And there you go. So I've got mine for 2 weeks, and hopefully I'll get an MRI after that, and then they'll take it off, and I could just be very, very careful. So I hope you enjoyed that video of our little neck brace here at the Aspen Vista. Thanks for watching. Bye.